It would take 24 of these ordinary flashlights to match the 300 lumen power of the 2-ounce Hybeam military torch. And today, you can get your Hybeam absolutely free. Watch this. This ordinary flashlight weighs over a pound and can only light an area 3 to 4 feet. But the military-grade Hybeam X100 can light this entire 50 square foot area, and it only weighs 2 ounces, making it the perfect everyday carry. This little flashlight makes this entire tent glow in the dark. It's amazing. And today you can get yours absolutely free. The secret is the Hybeam's 300 lumen genuine YAG LED bulb actually distributes light in a whole new way. Originally designed for the US military, these bulbs are super bright, even at long distances, and with one click, the Hybeam becomes a blinding strobe light that can disorient any attacker. Plus, the Hybeam is tough. Watch as we run over the Hybeam with a 64,000-pound garbage truck. Launch it with the 1,200-pound force of a baseball bat. Even cast it in the bottom of a muddy river. Yep, the Hybeam is waterproof too. Every Hybeam is hand-machined out of aircraft-quality aluminum and is powered by a single AA battery for hours of use. And today you can get yours absolutely free. Click the button below this video to get yours now.